tayo sa panibagong video. Mag-public tayo sa Take Care of Your Cat. So, ito yung same developer ng Take Care of Your Dog. Kaso, meron tayong bark. Ayan o. Right mouse. Bark. So, tayo yung aso.
Huh?
Okay, so may shift. Left mouse, right mouse, mag-bark. So, let's start. Take care of your cat. Take care of your cat. Aso nga tayo, tol! Get stick and make friends. Okay. Keep it on. It's cold outside. Oh. Run, but it's not too far. Cute. What? Teleport? You're suspicious. You're suspicious. You are suspicious, boy. Oh, if we bark, we cannot run. Let's stick. Para saan tong stick? Para saan yung stick? Okay. Oh my god, naglalag. Ay, hindi pala. So, wala na. So, iniikot na natin lahat. Light the fireplace. Okay. Arr. Bleh. Sleep. Ano yan? Sleep. Ano yan? Zzz. Yeah. Go to sleep. Okay. Easy lang. Pero horror game. Okay, let's get some sticks. It's red! Oh, may ba yung music? Okay. Arr! You are my friend now. What's that? Oh, that. Okay. Teka lang ha. Light the fireplace. Okay. Let's go. Hello, Catty. Arr. Go to sleep. Meow. Okay, what's next? Go to sleep. For the fire. Okay. Oh, umiba na yung music niya. Oh, fudge. We're cooked.
Huh?
Tarang. Oh. What's this? They aren't shift anymore. Okay. So what are they? Ano sila? Tao na. Go, fudge. Follow the path. Okay. I'll follow the path. I will follow the path. Well, where's the path? Well, what? Oh, there you go. Oh my god. I'm scared. No. Teka lang. Kalma. Teka lang. Uy! They aren't sheep anymore. So, ano sila? Gulat ako. They aren't sheep. Now run.
You never see it coming.
Sakto! Ay! Pukukin na! You know what? I hate you. I hate you, boy. I hate you. I need to go to sleep before I run. Tapos nakita natin yung malaking tao na yun. Grabe. Nahulog pa monitor ko, hayop. Oh, nahuli tayo. So, takbo lang tayo ng takbo. Yan lang. Ay, yung mata ko. Okay. Teka. Ayan. Yup. Ba't ganun? Saan ako? Saan ako pumunta? Wait lang Wait lang. Teka lang. Huli mo tayo. Yung mouse ko. Dito. Hindi dyan. Okay, dito pala, dito. Lala talaga, tol. Wala to. Grabe. Take care of your cat, pero ikaw yung nakakot. Yun, nandito na yun. Dito na yan. Huwag ka na lang tumingin. I need to sleep. Bro. Kalma.
Bruh.
Okay, may malaking tao na dito. Hindi ko alam, tao yan. Okay. Mga hayop! Ay ko na-stuck. Bilis pala, no? Heaven! Hi. I will never be like them. Okay. Thank you. Grabe. Finally, I'm home. Tapos po air. Okay, dito. Nag-hallucinate yung aso. Yan, R. Saan tayo pupunta? Dito. Paris lang naman yun Ay. Dito pala. Wait, what? Saan pala? Dito. Ay, oh. Go to sleep, bro. Go to sleep. Take care of the cat. The end. Take care of the cat. Grabe. Visit. Yan na pala yun. Nagkaanak si pusa. Yo, it's real life cat. A loving memory of all our friends who are jumping from stars to star. Yo! Ouch. Aray, aray, aray. Yo! Bro. It's a real life story. So, what now? Tapos na? Oh. Okay. So, yeah. Dito na tatapos yung ating video mga watlings. Take care of the cats. Cat. So, yeah. Oh! Nag-crush yung game. Okay, so yeah, dito na nagtatapos yung so yeah, so thank you for watching mga watlings. So see you to the next video. Baru!